you are watching from. This is what a grown-up lazy men and women are doing, kidnapping and bringing in our young girls to do prostitution for them. Such very wicked act. Thank God for using someone to rescue these children. Let Nigbo in Ghana use that as an scapegoat first. It is a sad news here just broke out. So many of our female children under age are now used by traffickers to enrich themselves. Even among these females are including 3 girls from the same parent under age, taken to Ghana. Majority are from Imo State, southeast of Nigeria, being forced out of their own wish when they're supposed to be in school, the leaders of tomorrow. Oh God have mercy. What's this, for Christ's sake? Even the selfish man took his own sister along to the sex market jungle. A good Samaritan spotted them and harvested them from the bad situation and took the underage female victims for questioning. Let us go in details and hear by ourselves. Thanks for watching. Please take this clip to create awareness and make it go viral to save souls of our beloved children.
My name is Chief Callisto 00. Okay. I'm the chairman of Nigerian Diaspora Organization. Okay. That is Chief Dofita. Oh, okay. She's the head of welfare of Nigerian Diaspora Organization, Ghana. Okay. And this is assistant welfare, he's in charge of rescue. Rescue? When we have issues that has to do with Nigeria. Okay. He's the rescue coordinator. Okay. So where from these ladies? This morning, we got tipped yesterday that one Nigerian guy. One Nigerian guy? Yes, has brought these ladies there, maltreating them, beat them, send them for prostitution and other things. So we prostitution? Yes. So we sent our rescue team to go for the girls. So they went there this morning. Fortunately, they were able to get all of them from the guy, and we was able to apprehend the guy. Okay. He was arrested. The one, so he's in custody now? He's in police custody here now. So that's why we quickly brought them so that they can be the police can take inventory of what happened before we know. I don't know which language. Let me know their name. This one, what's their name? Simi John. You're from Plateau State. Say you're from Plateau State. Your name is what?
My name is Miracle Odrupe Olebechukwu from Imo State.
You're Miracle Odrupe Olebechukwu from Imo State. Yes. Which side of Imo State? Idato. You're what? Chiamaka. Chiomeka.
Chiamaka
Ikedobi. Yes. From where?
From Imo State, Idato South.
Imo State, Idato South local government. You're from where?
I'm Selina Danjuma from Jos Plateau State.
Selina Danjuma from Jos Plateau State. You're from Plateau State.
Write your names. Yeah, I can't write. Yeah. No, just a sheet of paper.
I'm from Imo State. My name is Divine.
Which part of Imo State?
You have, what's your name?
From Olu. Which part of Olu? Umudiato. Which part of Umudiato? This one is my daughter. I'm from Olu.
Which part of Umudiato?
Umudiato, beside that Catholic church.
I'll come back to you.
My name is Joy.
Joy.
Joy what?
Ayuba.
From where?
Yeah. From Plateau State, Jos.
Plateau State, Jos.
My name is Odrupe Happiness. From Imo State.
Umobom.
My name is Machiko Amaracha from
Idato South.
My name is Odrupe Onyeka from Idato South.
Idato South. This very one, the guy who brought them for prostitution, this is the sister, the same mother, the same father.
And he brought a sister to come and prostitute?
Yes, and that's how to tell you how wicked the guy is.
The guy dies in custody?
Yes, this is the sister, the same mother, the same father. Then this one, who is your sister?
This and this.
These are twins. This one?
This one and this one, they are twins.
You and this one?
This one and this one are twins.
This and this?
This one, this one and this, they are twins, the same mother, the same father. With this one, he brought these 3 children from the same mother, the same father, and he gave them into prostitution. And their parents are not aware. When they bring them here, they don't tell them what they are coming to do. They take them under oath and force them to.
When is after 2 minutes you cut it? Huh? Speak loud.
My name is Ike Lobichama.
From where, please?
From Olu.
Olu where? Huh?
I'm from Imo.
Imo State.
Imo State, yes.
Olu
Yes.
town from Imo State.
Yes.
How long have you been in Ghana?
Just less than 1 month now.
What is your name?
My name is Asos Divine.
Divine.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
16 years. My God. How long have you been in Ghana?
To the 7th of this month will make me 2 months.
2 months. You are from Imo State.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is I'm from Imo State. That was not
South.
Sorry.
that was south.
Sorry. You will be fine in Jesus' name. God will take care of you, my children. What is your name, sister?
My name is Selina Danjo. I'm from Plateau State.
Oh, mommy. How old are you?
I'm 18 years.
How long have you been in Ghana?
7th of this month will make me 2 months.
Oh.
My name is Odurupe Onyechukwu.
Speak now, please.
My name is Odurupe Onyechukwu.
Where are you from? Imo State. How old are you?
16 years.
16 years. Stand up, let me see you.
My brother, this 1, 2, 3, they are the same mother, the same father.
3 of you are from the same mother.
The same father.
The same father. Have you spoken to your parents? Where are your phones?
This is our phone.
You're taking all your phones. Who brought you to Ghana?
His brother.
The brother.
The brother of this person. The brother of this one.
Okay. So you are from Imo State. 16 years.
The same mother, the same father.
14th October, make me 16 years.
Jesus Christ. So you are still 15 plus.
15 plus.
And you have been in Ghana. And what have they been doing to you? They take you out to see men. You see men. And they pay you.
No, they don't pay me. Any money you work, they took you, we give them everything.
15 years.
Everything.
See our children in diaspora, 15 years. Out of their own wish. Children are supposed to be in school. These are the great future leaders of Nigeria in diaspora. 15 years. 3 children from one father, same mother, from Imo State. That's it.
Regulation. This is the country we belong to. But so it's not working. This is the country we belong to. But so it's not working. This is the country we belong to. But so it's not working.